So you want to make money online using your mobile phone, right? Well, how about 10 different ways? What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you 10 different ways to make money online using your mobile phone. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna share with you 10 different ways here on how you can make money online using your mobile phone. Now, what you need to do is pay attention, watch the whole video, don't skip on anything so you don't miss out on any important information I'm gonna share with you regarding these 10 different ways here. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see these 10 different ways on how we can make money online using our mobile phones there. Let's get started. Okay, the first way that we can get started with to make money online is actually selling photos that we are taking with our phones. And one of the most popular sites is Snapwire. You can find it on snapwi.re, snapwi.re. And if you have a closer look at it, it is a very popular site here. You're just taking pictures, you upload them, and whenever someone wants, of course, to purchase them, you will make money off it. So it works really simple. Have a look at it for yourself. Available on both platforms, as you could see earlier here. Alright, so another one that I shared recently also is Fope. Fope.com is also, you can see here, sell your content for creators. So if you go to that section, you can see that you simply upload your videos and photos and earn money. So you can actually earn money with your videos also that you record here. So when a brand, an agency, or just anyone who finds your work outstanding, they purchase that video, they will share a commission with you, Fope here, 50-50, on a 50-50 basis actually, so that is super nice. But they do have some contests and other things here also, so the more you upload, the better chance you have to earn more money here. Have a look at it. You can go straight, if you are on iOS, go to the App Store, or on Google Play if you're on an Android device, to check it out. Alright, another opportunity is you can actually make money with YouTube, and you can get started to record videos straight from your mobile phone, upload them, and there is actually 2 ways that comes into my mind here that you can make money with it. The first one is of course Google AdSense, and the second one is affiliate marketing. You can do a simple thing like reviewing a product or something, so you just record yourself with the phone there. You can hold it like this, and you just record and talk about the product, and then you can leave a link actually. So whenever someone purchases through that link, you will earn a commission. So it is really super nice way to get started to make money online with YouTube here. Something totally different is TaskRabbit.com. Or of course TaskRabbit if you just search depending on what mobile device you have there. And how this works is that people want help with, let's say that you can see here, assemble a table or a desk, mounting a TV or a mirror, and you come in as a tasker because you are available in that area when someone wants it done. And of course if you can apply for it, you can get paid. So it is a bit of on and offline actually with TaskRabbit, but a totally great way to make money online with, I would say, by having this app installed. Okay, taking surveys is another very popular way, and we have Google Opinion Rewards here. You can see here you earn rewards for helping us improve our products and services. So this is a survey app that you download, you answer quick surveys in your spare time. just type Google Opinion Rewards if you are on the mobile, or you can just type Google Opinion Rewards on a desktop also. Another one is Surveys on the Go, surveysonthego.com here if you are on a desktop, or you can just type it straight away on a mobile device. You get paid for taking surveys here, okay? So I'm not going to go into detail here, just have a look at it. Now there is more sites actually you can have a look for surveys, but it is one of the most popular ways, I would say, to actually earn money online with a mobile device there. Alright, let's go to something different here, and that is Fibbler. Now Fibbler, you can find it on fibbler.com if you are on a desktop. And you can see here the simplest way to offer expert videocasts and consultations. So this is available on both platforms, and how it works is like this, that you register for free, you are expert in something, you can do a video cast, you can do a video call whenever someone wants help with something or an expertise, they want your expertise actually, or you can do a voice call. So you see that you are available and you can answer that question, and you get paid for that, of course. Alright, so have a look at it, fibbler.com, really a great way also to make money online with the mobile phone there. Let's move on to ClickWorker. Now ClickWorker is something that is available worldwide, and you can do a lot of micro tasks here, I would say actually. And that is like correcting texts. You can see first off this is available on both platforms, but it can be text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, research, surveys, mystery visit, app testing, and photo capturing. This is a worldwide opportunity, has a lot of micro tasks actually that you can do straight from your device there. So this is super nice. You decide how much you want to work with ClickWorker. Okay, earn money with Cashback Apps. This is another one. What you do is you cash back automatically. It's not point here, as they say, it's not coupons, just cold hard cash. Available on both platforms here. What you do is you connect your card, you shop and you dine out, you pay with your linked card at thousands of stores and restaurants, and you can get up to 10% cash back automatically in your Dosh wallet. Dosh is one of the most popular cashback apps there, while there are some others available, but this is probably number one, I think. There is also a referral program, so you refer your friends to Dosh and you get $5 for each and one who signs up and links a verified card there. So have a look at it, dosh.cash, a great way with a cashback. Okay, being a tester, you can test apps, you can test websites through your mobile device, and one of the most popular for mobile devices is actually UserFill. It is more mobile friendly, available on both platforms here. You can see here that you can become a tester and you can earn $10 per test. So each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes and is completed with your home computer or smartphone. So you can pick if you want to do it on a desktop, but otherwise you can do it with your phone here also. Have a look at it, userfill.com. Here is something else also, Furpaction.com. It works pretty much the same way. You give your opinion on mobile sites and applications. So you can start to earn money with Furpaction. You see here you get heard, brands listen, your opinion counts. It is more or less like a survey, but you're taking some tests here and you leave a feedback, okay? And you earn money for that. So Furpaction.com, have a look at it, or just type Furpaction on your device there. Alright, how about making money by watching trailers? Well, app trailers is exactly about that. You can see here you preview video trailers of apps, celebrity gossips, do-it-yourself videos, get points, and you can redeem those points, of course, with PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, or many more that is available with app trailers there. So it totally depends, but I think most of us prefer probably the PayPal Cash there. But it's a cool way to make money online by watching trailers only. Okay, something that I shared recently was Honeygain. You can see here, make money online with Honeygain. Available of course on both platforms also. This is super cool. You just download the app there, you turn it on and you earn money. It is as simple as that. This is autopilot. This is passive income actually. You see here, you install it, you connect the devices and you get paid. Basically how it works is that you get to share a bit of your internet actually. Totally safe, totally legit, but I'm not going to go into details here. So if you want to see and read the details, go to honeygain.com or just type honeygain on your mobile device there. Let's go to final opportunities here, and the first one is Swagbucks. Swagbucks, actually you can earn money with a lot of different ways. The first one could be shopping online with cashback. We have answering surveys. You can watch videos and get paid. Discovering offers. This is the offer vault. Searching the web, playing games, and of course they do have some other things also at the mobile app there. There is also another one, and that is feature points. You can see here, pretty similar site also, taking surveys. This is the offer vaults. They do have referral programs of course also, so you can earn 50% of your friends' points here as well. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. They do have also watching videos and other things from time to time, so it already depends on what time you sign in there and what's available at that moment actually. Alright, so there you have it, 10 different ways on how to make money online with your mobile phone there. Now, most of these are only going to get you some extra money here, so if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation at my end screen here right now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.